Good morning, children. Today we will discuss 5th class English practice sheet 2. Here 1 to 5 worksheets are completed. Then we were completed the 5 worksheets. Then we will practice sheet 2 is came. This is practice sheet 2. This make your own. First bit, read the following oral reading fluency. You see here given the paragraph. Leela lived in a village called Neelapuram. Neelapuram was located near Nallamalla forest. The village was full of greenery, small lawns, different types of houses and a village square. Leela was in 5th class and her brother Chintu was in 3rd. They both liked going to school. Leela lived with their parents and grandparents. There was a happy family. This is the given paragraph. We can write the answers from this paragraph. Here questions given are there. Answer the following questions reading comprehension. First one, what was the name of the girl? What was the name of the girl? The girl name is Leela. The girl, G-I-R-L, girl, N-A-M-N-A-I-S is, the girl name is Leela, L-E-E-L-A, Leela. Next one, where did the girl live? Where did she live? She live in a village called Neelapur. The girl lived in a village called Neelapuram. The girl lived in a village called Neelapuram. Describe Neelapuram. How is Neelapuram? The village was full of greenery, small lawns, different types of houses and a village square. The village was full, F-U-L-L, full of greenery, small lawns, H-U-N-T-S, hunts, different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different types of houses. This is the village. Name the family members of Leela. Leela family members are there who are her brother Chintu and parents and grandparents. Leela lived with THEIR, their parents and grandparents. grandparents. She has one brother. Leela lived with their parents and grandparents. She has one brother. Neela and Chintu liked going to school. Do you like going to school? Yes, I like going to school. Because of my there is many friends we will share everything in school. Yes, I like going to school because of there is my friends. We will share everything in school. This is the answers of the questions. What are there? What was the name of the girl? The girl name is Leela. Where did the girl live? The girl lived in a village called Neelapuram. Describe Neelapuram. The village was full of greenery, small huts, different type of houses. Name the family members of Leela. Leela lived with their parents and grandparents. She has one brother. Do you like going to school? Why? Yes, I like going to school because of there is my many friends. We will share everything in school. Okay, thank you for watching.